Okay, hello everyone. What you see here is the package of the seat covers that I received from a place called Pegasus Premium, which is in Delhi, I believe. I ordered this from them, and from that's where I received this package, and that's how the seat cover comes. So this video is going to be about me getting a new seat covers installed for my vehicle. The current seat covers that I have is the original one, which comes with a beige color. What you see in the video right now is a black seat cover, which is of a premium quality at a very reasonable price. That's how I've got this, and you can see that this is how the seat covers look like, and you can see that our fitter, who's a professional fitter, he's dismantling the seats from the vehicle, and you can also see that the color of the seats are beige. That's the original color. So how I'm going to get this done is I'm not going to remove the originality of the seats which is already there in the car. What I'm going to be doing is I've asked them to um, put up the seat covers that I've bought on top of whatever is existing on these seats, which will also make sure that the existing seats are not damaged. So you're not going to do any kind of stitching or any kind of removal or any kind of pinching to the seats. Just as it is, however, you're going to be removing it with the original seat cover which is there in the car. We're going to be blanketing that up with a black seat cover. Now this black seat cover comes with a beige lining, very thin beige lining, so it's out and out black but with a very thin beige lining. They've also given me two cushions like the lumbar support, and they've also given me two neck support with this purchase, which is of a premium quality. They said this is the Italian leather, and it's a bucket seats. That's what it is. Sorry. Yeah, so you can see that our fitter is busy fixing up the seat cover on the existing seats itself. That's how the seat covers will look like. He will actually turn it upside down now so that you can get a good view. This is, I guess, the driver's seat that he is fixing right now. Yep, and yeah. So like I said, there is no stitching which is done to this existing seat. Although if you do a stitching, it will give you a perfect and a proper finish, but then if we do a stitching, it will spoil the existing covers which is there on the seats. So I told them not to do any kind of stitching. So they're trying to tighten it up and try to fit it as it is. It'll be a little loose initially, but then over a period of time, as and when a little bit of sunlight hits in, and the more I use it, it'll take its own shape. It'll fall into that bucket seats type. So yeah, this is how he's been doing the fitting. He first removed the first row seats, both the seats, and yeah, he finished one. He's doing the second one now. And if you see, this is the final outcome of the fitting procedure. So you can see that he's already started fitting. In fact, I cut short the video. I didn't want to bore you by showing every seats that he's covering up. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is the final outcome of the seat covers that I've fixed. Like I said earlier, I picked this up from Pegasus Premium. These guys are from Gurgaon, Delhi. I will leave their details in the description. Anybody interested to take a look at their work, please take a look at their work. They do a really fantastic job, and they sell quality stuff. And I also did this fitting in JC Road in Bangalore. I will leave their details as well, so you can take a look at it. And after a few days, I will take a few pictures of how the seats look like after I've used it for some time, and I will show it to you guys, or I will make a quick video and share it with you guys. So this is a quick update, a video about my new seat covers, and thank you for watching.